What's up, butterflies? It's your girl Nessa coming back to you with another episode of Butterfly Creation. Stay tuned.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe.
In today's episode, I will be going over everything that I'll be putting in my bridesmaids tote bags for our bachelorette trip, which is coming up in 4 days. So excited. However, I still have no idea where we're going. Nobody wants to tell me anything because it's a surprise. Okay. Anyway, basically showing you everything that I'll be putting in there, some things which I have handcrafted myself, the different stores that I've used to purchase these items include Amazon, Target, Walmart, Dollar Tree, which is now the $1.25 tree. Yeah. Hobby Lobby and Michael's. And of course, my parents' house, because they got a lot of cool stuff in there too. So let's get on into it. But before we do that, you already know what I'm about to say. Go ahead and click on that subscription and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell so that you're aware of when I post videos, which will be every week. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into this, and I'm going to start with these clarifying towelettes. And these are makeup removers for the girls. So these cups I got from Hobby Lobby. They were on sale for like $4. And I decided to go onto Etsy and get a background that, they would like, I think. And so it says Bride Tribe on there because they are my bride tribes. And you can see it here. Of course, I had to make one for myself. So this one says Bride. And then in them, I will be putting some candies, some goodies. So those candies will include Sour Patches, some Giraldi chocolate, and some Sour Punches. I may go back to the store at some point this week and see if I can find like Twix and stuff like that. It's like little chocolates to put in, maybe some Hershey's Kisses. I think that's what I'm going to do. Hershey's Kisses and Twix, and add them to this. So this will be their little candy cup, which will be something else when we get to where we're going. All right, next up, I got this Colors and Care from Kiss Extra Large Glamour Glitter Bonnet cap. I know it's called Bonnet. I just want it to be fancy, okay? So everybody's hair could be flawless and laid to the gods. The next thing that I got is Dove Body Love Beauty Cream for face and body. So nice little lotion that they can use while they're there. I also got this Jade Facial Roller, Relieve and Soothe, my beauty spot. And this I actually got from Pop Shelf. That's another store that I really like that you guys should get into. It's like Dollar General, but bourgeois. Because every time I go in there, I feel, fancy. So I got these. They have a lot of cool stuff in there. I might go back in there again during the week to go and purchase some more stuff. So we'll see. But that's another item that I got for them. I went and got some Kleenexes because the way my girls are set up, well, most of them are set up, we're going to be doing a lot of crying because this is a long time coming. They have been with me through this journey of my relationship from day one. They've seen the ups, the downs, the sideways, the bendovers, all of the above. So this is going to be very important because I know there's going to be a lot of tears between now and wedding day. So make sure you get some of these for your girls if you're getting married. The next thing I got, because, you know, COVID is still around, germs are still around, the flu is going around, and we're not trying to get sick. Again, I have no idea where we're going, but wherever we go, we always want to make sure that we are sanitizing everywhere we are. So I got these Wet Ones antibacterial hand wipes, the fresh scent. It was like $1.25 at Walmart. So these are really good to have also. Then I went into Target, into the little section where it's like the little traveler's aisle, and found these really cute things. The first one is a Downy wrinkle releaser. So, you know, nobody's going to be carrying around a big old iron. At least I'm not. I'm probably going to get one of those little handheld steamers for, you know, whatever attire I'm wearing. But this is really convenient to use in case anybody got some wrinkly shirts or pants or dresses. You can't be walking around here looking wrinkly. That's just not how we roll. And then I also got, again, to be safe and sanitary, Lysol disinfecting sprays to go. So wherever we may sleep, everybody got the spray. Spray. Okay. Moving right along, another item that I got were these lint rollers. And in addition to not being wrinkly, we also don't need to be looking like we have lint all over us, because that's not cool either. I have a coworker and she donated these eye masks for me and my girls. It's from the Black Doll Affair, and they're just simple eye masks. So she gave me 8 of them total. She also gave me these perfume samples. Have a little something something in your bag. So she got me different ones. One is Prada. The first one that I showed you was Clinique. I have Burberry. I have Juicy. I have Flower Bomb. So, you know, she really hooked the girl up. Camille, you a real one. Thank you, girl. I know y'all are like, really, Vanessa? Yes, really. Because some people's hairs, even though you nair and you shave and you wax and you do all of that stuff, some people's hairs just grow back super fast. With that being said, I'm putting one of these in everybody's bag, just in case, you know, they need to, you know, spruce up a little bit. They can do so with these Gillet disposable shavers. Now, on to my next item, and this is going to be the tumblers. They're not done yet, but you will see the end result. So what I'm doing, and this one is mine, as you can see because it's white, I'm putting gemstones on the top of each of the covers. And then on the bottom of them, I will be putting everybody's name. So it'll have my name, Vanessa, and at the side it'll say bride. And then it'll have like my sister, Stephanie, maid of honor. And then the girls' names with bridesmaid. So that's what I'm doing with each of these. And I'm trying to get it to where the gems are in their favorite color. The next thing that I got off of Amazon,
oh, I love Amazon so much,
were these Fanny packs. And on them, mine of course says bride, and then my girls says tribe. Now the theme, if you don't see, but the theme of my girls is bride tribe. Our little hashtag is it's a vibe bride tribe. I was really glad to find a lot of things that said tribe on them, because it goes with the theme that we're going with. So 1 for me and 7 for the girls. Put up close up. I'll take mine out. The other ones I don't want to take out because I want them to be fresh when the girls take them out of the package. So this is what it looks like. Oh, this is so cute. So this is the front. Here's the back. Has an extra zipper in the back with 2 in the front. And of course, an adjustable strap. So this is what it looks like. Really cool. I love it. Now here is where the fun begins for me. I went and bought myself my little tiara that says bride on it. I got my bride-to-be sash.
Hey, away.
And then of course I got my bride-to-be veil. So this came as a set on Amazon. It was maybe like $12, $13. So it was a good buy. In addition to these, I got one or several for my tribe. And it says Bride Tribe on them. Bride Tribe. And with this packaging, another bride-to-be came with it. So I might rock one on our way to wherever we're going, and then the other one when we're having like a dinner night or something like that, because I was told there's going to be a dinner night, and that's all I need to know. The difference between this one and the one that I got with my veil is the colors. Like you can see it, one is a little bit golder than the other, and one sparkles and the other one shines. So that's it for that. I went ahead and got these gift tissues because once I finish packing the bags, which I'll show you how I do it, I'm going to go ahead and put this at the top so it looks like a little gift bag. Cool, huh? Yeah, I know. I know. The next thing that I did, this. Oh my God. Beautiful. So I ordered these little suitcases off from Etsy. They were blank. I went ahead and made the girls' night out with the dates of our Bachelorette trip, and it literally acts like a suitcase. Look. And it got the wheels at the bottom. What? So this is actually our Hangover kit, and in it, it has Tums, Mint, Tic Tacs, Tic Tacs. It has Chapstick, Advil, some Hygiene Wipes, a couple of penny liners, IV hydration, and some wipes. And I will go ahead and put a separate video in this episode so that you can quickly see how I packed everything. But this is it. Cute. I mean, I think this is going to be the cutest thing in the whole bag. I promise you that. And then, of course, we got to spruce up the night with some dare card games. And I got these from Amazon. And yes, I did open them. So I know exactly what each card has. And I will take it out so you can see. They won't know, but I do. And these are what the dare cards look like. So they'll scratch it off. And whatever it says on there, they have to do. Well, they don't have to do it, but they have the option of either doing that. If they don't do it, basically it says opt out by buying the bride a drink. So needless to say, I'm reading these and I think I might be a little tipsy. We'll see. So I will be putting about 2 cards each. So they have, we'll have something to do on our trip, wherever that might be. So this was a good buy. That is it for everything that I will be putting into the girls' bags. Let me show you what the girls' bags look like. So it has my name, and under it, it says bride. And then for the girls, their names. So this is my sister. And it says, what does it say? It says Bride Tribe. So this is what their bags look like. Okay. And it has a cute little bow that, of course, I'm going to fix up because that's not looking cute at all. But this is it. And then it locks like so. So, I know. And yes, I did design this myself. I bought these off of Amazon, and I will actually link everything that I've bought off of Amazon and Etsy, Target, Walmart, all of the stores that I went and bought all of these products. I will go ahead and put in the description box below. So stay tuned for that. And then I used my Cricut machine and made the girls their names along as well as the bride tribe. And again, in another episode, I will go into depth as to how I go ahead and make these, so that if you guys want for your bridesmaids or for your friends, if you're going on a girls trip, or just in general, an everyday bag that you'd like to just walk around with and you want it to be customized, let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely reach out to you and make it for you, just like how you like it. So that is everything. I will just go ahead and do a quick panorama of everything that I have, and that'll be that. So hold on for the next clip.
I almost forgot the most important thing in the bags. For the girls, got some Bath and Body Works Black Cherry Merlot antibacterial hand gel with essential oils, of course, to keep our hands nice and moisturized.
All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me today and tuning in to this episode. I hope you enjoyed I hope you enjoyed the content that I brought to you today. And until next time, butterflies.
Enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. 'Cause you can never kill my